Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Children, today in our work we are going to start a new chapter, time. And this is a last chapter. Okay. See children, this is a wall clock, alarm clock and a wrist watch. Why we'll see the watch or a clock? To see what's the time. Yes. And what you know how to see the time? Now I'll tell you how to see the time. See, this is a picture of a clock. It is a face. It is a face. And clock has two hands. How we have two hands? Yes, clock also have two hands. But clock has one long hand and one short hand. Long and short. Long hand shows the minutes. Minute hand. This is called long hand. Long hand. We have two hands, but both are equal. But for the clock has two hands. One, the long hand is called a minute hand. This is called a minute hand. Okay. And the short hand is called hour hand. Now, in the two clocks, hands are there? No. Now we are going to draw a hand. This is a long hand. It's on 12. Now the short hand shows 2, 1. What is the time now? The long hand is on 12. The short hand is on 1. So it's 1 o'clock. What is the time? 1 o'clock. Now here the long hand is on 12 and the short hand is showing to 3. What is the time? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Now see. It's 7 o'clock. Yeah, short hand showing to 7 and big hand, the long hand is on 12. 7 o'clock. Now, the long hand is on 12 and short hand is on 8. So, it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Now, see children, now the long hand is on 12 and the short hand is on 9. So it's 9 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. See, the small hand, the short hand is on 6 and the long hand is on 12. Straight line, 6 o'clock. Okay. Now, ready with your number of notebooks? Ready children with your number of notebook? Tell your parents to draw 2 circles in your book. Try with the bangle also. You can try. Write the numbers. First on the top you should write 12, 6, 3 and then 9. And in between the 12 and 3, 1, 2. In between the 3 and 6, 4 and 5. In between the 6 and 9, 7 and 8. And in between the 9 and 12, 10 and 11. Or first time tell your mother to draw numbers for you. Next time you should try. Okay. Here first of all you should write the date. The heading is time. Now, draw a long hand showing 12 and short hand showing 4. See, this one is a long hand and this one is a short hand. So what is the time, children? Yeah, it is a 4 o'clock. And this side you have place. So what you should write? Here you should write short hand, S-H-O-R-T, short hand dash long hand dash and time. Okay, now see short hand. Short hand is on 4. Write down 4 here. Long hand is on 12. So what is the time? 4 o'clock. Write down 4 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Okay, like this you should do. Now next, again a long hand showing to 12 and a short hand showing to 7. What is the time? 7 o'clock. What is the time? 7 o'clock. Again you should write here short hand dash long hand time. The short hand is on 7. Write down 7 here. The long hand is on 12. Write down 12. So what is the time? 7 o'clock. Write down 7 o'clock. Okay. Hope you have understood, children. So today's work is this. 2 clocks you should draw and you should write like this. Okay, children. Goodbye.